Hi, my name is Julian Gonzalez.
My name is Marco DeChigo Austin.
This is our public service announcement. How can electric cars help climate change? Gasoline cars have a big engine that just acts as a big air pump, pumps the gas, causes pollution to come out of our tailpipes.
So the problem is when you pump the gas and it comes out the tailpipe, a lot of bad air comes out with a lot of chemicals in it that's not good for us, and it causes pollution. And on top of that, it also causes a part of global warming.
A solution is electric cars. Electric cars don't burn gas, and they don't have an engine. They have batteries, and it doesn't act as an air pump. It just charges the car so you can use it without causing pollution.
But the way that electric cars are also a little bit bad because it's more of a half solution because of the materials it takes to make the battery and to charge a battery.
This chart right here is electric versus gasoline, so some pros and cons to them. For an electric car, there's no tailpipe emissions, so like no tailpipe, nowhere for smoke to come out, and there's no gas being used either. For gasoline cars, it's greenhouse gases, which is the gases being burned in this big engine right here, which is just the air pump, which causes pollution. Uh, I mean, it takes over half an hour to charge, depending on how far you drove or how less of a battery you have. But it only takes minutes to refuel a gasoline car, but it does cost more.
And the graph we have on the right is cost between the Nissan Leaf, which is an electric car, and the Toyota Prius, which is a gas car. So basically, you can see that it's in different states, and the gas car is a lot more miles.
But electric cars, it's doing better. It's gonna make its way up, but for now, it's doing good. Here's our prototype that we made for this project. We took I built on the right an orange 1972 Pontiac GTO.
And I built on the left a 2010 Camaro.
This is our building process. The right is Marco with his Camaro, and on the left is him screwing the final pieces on, and well, mine is still not done yet.
And just more pictures of the building process.
From my side.
And on the right is the final product, and they look pretty good.
So like you can see the engine right here. It's like an air pump. It burns the gas, goes to the intake. Now the exhaust right here on the side. It just pollutes our air. For this car, you can't really see, but same thing with the engine. Goes to the intake and out the other side for pollution in our air. Thanks for watching our presentation.